Irresponsible Fox fake news lawyer tells judge that Tucker Carlson's audience doesn't expect him to report the facts. Senator Susan Collins has put John Bolton's new book in her Amazon cart, but is undecided about placing an order for it. The Rep-Tide Marshmallow indicated that, even if she ultimately decides to buy Bolton's book, she is leaving open the possibility of returning the book to Amazon. Saying the country has remained on track for progressing into the final stage, Rep-Tide leaders of the coronavirus task force said they would soon officially be entering phase 4 of pretending the coronavirus was over. Criminal, Comrade Kavanaugh was very disappointed to learn that the Supreme Court does not have a happy hour. He said he would still recycle his empties to pay for a wall with Mexico. Heavily armed fans guard statue of Yogi Bear in case it turns out he supported Confederacy. Yogi still supports police in spite of being the victim of a chokehold for stealing picnic baskets. Swamp House staff seething with envy, after the grinning Fauci revealed he has not spoken to Trump in weeks. The Swamp House toilet doesn't know if it can handle another 4 years of Trump. With Trump filling his depends, the inactivity has left the toilet depressed. The toilet is like the Maytag repairman, the loneliest man in town. The sink is pissed off too, because the maskless Cheeto does not wash his hands either. Trump falsely announced that the entire U.S. populace of 6,200 had attended the Comover's recent shit show rally in Tulsa.
Despite what the fake news would have you believe, Trump was honored by the fact that every citizen of the United States, nearly 7,000 people, showed up to this preposterous event.
Mess Secretary Big Mac with sleaze continued her dribble by stating any people seen walking around outside the arena during the rally were in fact illegal immigrants from Mexico.